How to fix Amazon app OTP not receiving? Well, if you're not receiving Amazon app OTPs, what you want to do is there are certain things that you'll have to check. First is to check your network connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection or mobile network or mobile data connection. You also want to clear your inbox and restart. So if you have tons of messages, you want to clear them. Just be sure not to clear the ones that you need, and then you can restart your phone and see if you get the OTP again. Try for it. You can also ensure you have not accidentally blocked the Amazon's number that you generally receive the OTP from, or that it is not on to the spam folder. Now, however, if you're still not receiving it, what you can do is you can proceed to wait. You want to wait for a couple of hours or up to 12 to 48 hours and then try it again, and you should be able to receive the OTP. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.